Hi everyone, my name is Arpana Simha and I am the Rockwell Partner Network Coordinator at Posital Fraba. At Posital, we design and manufacture precision motion sensors. We are a German-based company with facilities and operations across the globe. In the Americas, we opened the office in the year 2000, and I have been a part of this great team since 2017. So we serve a lot of industries. To name a few would be utilities like water, wastewater, hydroelectric, solar, wind, of course packaging, material handling, food and beverage, printing and publishing, extraction industries like oil and gas, mining, transportation like marine, aerospace, on and off highway vehicles, basically any industry that uses precision motion sensors. So we offer rotary, linear, and inclination sensors for machine automation, mobile equipment, and motor actuator feedbacks. So we design and build reliable products. We offer innumerable customizations. Given the current scenario where we have shortage of components, our delivery time has been really good. We offer powerful web-based tools that are user-friendly. And we offer great service. As I mentioned, we are a global team, so the response time for inquiries and for technical support has been really amazing. So we are broadening the user programmability of our handheld UbiFast configuration tool. We recently had a grand opening of our new high-volume manufacturing facility in Malaysia, and we have more product-related announcements coming in 2023, so stay tuned. At every conference and trade show, we hear these repeated stories of encoder pain, and we have come to keenly understand the root causes, and we have developed goods and services that address these issues. So along those lines, we have made new friends and customers for life. I could explain that with a little mathematical equation. So best-in-class products from Posital, plus other Rockwell technology partners, plus Allen Bradley, of course. Include that with best-in-class service from Rockwell system integrators, plus the best-in-class service and support from our Rockwell distributors is equal to a happy, successful, and productive customer for life.